bây giờ mình sẽ nhau nè bây giờ mình sẽ air show nè bây giờ mình sẽ nhau sẽ đèn trong nhà nó chạy nó nè chỉ tao một chỉ là chỗ đó chạy nó là rô pa nè nó là rô pa nè à tụi nó món nó chỉ tụi yêu nó tụi nó béo yêu nó tụi này nung chưa nó à tụi nó chỉ béo hùa gì la nó còn để chỉ hùa nước cong rồi nè thì tất cả nó chạy còn mình đã nói nó tí cho có gia dự là mới rõ kỹ ra cho nên mong bất cứ một kỹ sau đó nè mình sẽ thêm nhanh nữa tụi nó giờ và tụi nó giờ nó lúc bên mình cả hồi đã vẫn lâu rồi nè sẽ lúc bên mong ai chồng nó lúc bên mong ai chồng nó nè ai chồng tụi nó giờ ở chơi lúc bên mong hồ một con rồi nè lúc bên mình cả hồi mình lì nó tụi nó giờ cái tụi tuôn ra là hà lý nè như thế này tụi bắp trong này tao nó chỉ mấy cái chỉ phiền cái chỉ xin năng thì yêu là chỉ nó món nè nó chạy nó lên nó chứ giờ ai trong nó cho nên mong có cái chi sẽ ra cây nữa thì mới cho để chú cho nhà dùng đi gym mồ nữa ba xem mà nó chạy nữa hầu cho nó đa nó chỉ cho nó giờ qua chỉ mặc kiếng vừa tụi nó vừa tay này vừa sao cái khâu to tại có một nó mà căng rồi vừa nó vừa tụi nó đây mình cao chạy hú lìa nào nó thì chỉ bé hú những cái ruột pan nó cái này là nông dê, cái này là con trắng, cái này là gì la nữa, tụi nó thế gì la thế tụi nhận sai nữa nè, cái gì cũng nhận sai nè, tụi nhận sai tụi nó cái tụi nhiều tố và tụi nó cái gì cũng nhận ra như là ai chọn tụi nó là mê lì nữa hai mê lì hai mê lì hai nô công. Are you okay? Nó lu chi linh đô, anh thấy này gì nữa? Ở trên này chi, bây tôi xây nhà hồng và sầu có đậu clay này nè. Anh nói giờ là tôi xây đại nhà hồng nè. Lúc nào giờ ít bụi gì cho, Cessna nè. Lúc này ít bữa xe chó nè, thầu của cái gia nhung chỉ của gia lúc nào nè, nên cầu trong đó là của cái gia nhung chỉ của gia lúc nào, cho nên ít bữa xe chó Cessna nè, lúc nào giờ cái chỗ xe nhung nè, nhung xe đèn, bó đã Wisconsin nè, cho nên nhung của cũ, bữa thời chính xe chụp bùa. chỉ cho tạo ra là nó cho nó là muốn cho là kia sai wow wow cho để cho nó mình trong câu nó là trả cú cơ nhông trong cơ nhông đó câu nhưng mà chúng ta rồi đấy lúc nào nó nhông tên này gì nữa rồi chỉ ra là chơi để giá thế nào cho nhớ là cái tê cho những bộ đồ sĩ cho nó nè tất cả sẽ cho chỉ là chỉ sĩ là mới cho là giá sao nó thế nào
Sẵn chú ạ. Wow, yay. Careful. Stand up. Stand up. Jump. Yay, đi mà jump. Wow. Careful! Careful! Wow! Mình sẽ là xe lưu truck, mình nói truck đó đó. Thì hồi lửa mình nói cái chắc lúc phải là mình nói cái này phải xe cả ta.
over there, but you ain't yo. You see them? They're coming, look.
That's right, Chippewa. You're the
Oh, look at that one. He's so fast. Look, this one up there.
That one right there, too, out there.
Look.
Look out there, look out there.
There's another down there. Right there.
Look, here
In the
it
middle of
comes.
this.
He's landing right there. Look. There, you see him?
That's not a plane.
God, there's another person.
This guy's just like rolling
Still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Upside down, Anna. See the fry upside down. Anna, I think all my fries came out. I go put in his pan. And I put my pan. You see Chase drooling? Chase, you put your pan. Come again, Chase. Super low now. Super low. Here comes. It's gonna be loud. Whoa, Anna. You fly. You okay? What a big dog.
Yeah, look, it's coming.
You see,
Well, it's
they're
upside
gonna
down.
do the truck, dude. Don't you see they bring the truck out there? They're gonna do the big monster truck. It's a jet truck. Yeah, they're gonna send engine like a truck.
No, what?
Come on, Anna.
just a moment. We have our helicopter ride. 8 helicopters. You will see the red helicopter hopping rides. And in just a moment,
They all the time. Plane landing the Queen.
Cho nói với cháu đủ anh chỗ. Dạ chị trắng thôi nè. Nó trâu luôn nè. Em chỉ bê mong tờ kì. Nếu mà lo da đó. Cho nên chị sẽ từ tôi nhó tỏ cho nó da say.
Are you doing that at Chase? Are you doing that at Chase?
Hayden coming down in front of us. You can see hot streak. That 1957
See the come back.
Nó lúc chỗ tay kia chị trắng kia chân bộ của lúc nhớ hồn nó nè. Tin của con đâu có chạy nó được ăn lò.
Want to say a special thank you to Menard, proud sponsor of the 2025 Chippewa Valley Air Show. We're excited to help bring this event to cosplayers. Save big money at Menard on all of your home improvement needs. What?
Lúc nó đi lia là tôi chưa có thấy lối ra lúc xì xìa thì chị nó ôi chạy accident trên cái tour nè
Another special thank
thì
you to Northwestern
không mấy tu lọ qua là
the Air Show, bringing people together on the ground and in the sky. We want to thank you for coming out to have fun with the Boy Scouts. Visit their Facebook page to learn more about how they give back by building stronger communities where people matter.
What do you keep doing, dude? Hey, what's wrong?
trên trên đi tây
Look, truck right there, Millie. Millie, look, daddy truck right there.
Look, try right there. Right there. Yeah, they towed it there already. Yeah.
Truck right there.
Right here. Right there.
wow
Millie, look. Whoa, a lot of them. Millie, look. Oh, he's looking at the truck over here.
wow look at that
I'll hold you.
Look, right there. Look. Millie, look right there, Millie, look. Fight, look, they fight. He can't even hear it. Oh look, Millie, look, my daddy truck. That's my daddy truck. Yeah.
Set up in their second half. And as we go through, as you heard talk about, we have many members on the team with some funny names. We call them a call sign. And as they continue,
Ê, wow.
I'll give you a little background information on the pilot.
Oh, here they come.
So our team is set up in 3. They call them Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie. So they are repositioning right now.
They do. You know what dinosaur we could buy now?
Supersonic bomber.
Which one?
It's a tribute to the famous engine strategic bomb capable of flying Mach 3 XB-70 Valkyrie. Now the Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie flight leads are busy positioning their wingmen across the sky.
Leave his ass alone, fool.
That's closer. There you go. Wrong way on the stick, Howard. You're going up, not down. Push forward. There you go. Too far forward. Howard, your field is back here. Yeah. Howard, push the radio button and talk to us, buddy.
I don't like this.
We don't either. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna talk to the boss here and see if we can help. The boss is trying to talk to you, Howard. Let's try and get you down safely. Megan's running all the way back. Oh, no more, the sky gets bigger, the ground gets bigger. We gotta level
Which
out.
cheat the handle, huh?
Megan,
Go inside the handle again.
this is supposed to be a successful run. How you feeling up there, Howard?
I'm scared and I don't feel well.
I think Megan can go to sick bay.
I think it'd fly all around if I had it.
You don't want that. Oh, Howard, we're gonna try and get Megan up here now. Walk you down.
Right at us, straight. Cool.
Nó T25 á.
26 invaders entered service in 1944 and quickly earned a reputation as the fastest bomber of World War II. Yes, even faster
Nó
than
tốt
the
để
fighters of her day. That's right. She could outrun the very
nó tốt để
aircraft
sau sành phò tôi nè.
left for her.
Yeah, earlier the one was called this, another one was called this.
Designed for speed and versatility, the E-26 carried up to 6,000 pounds of bombs and bristled with machine guns and cannons. She was feared and respected in the skies, known for
Nice and well
precision,
warm.
low-level bombing and close air support. A fun fact, there are only 6 E-26 invaders flying millionaires.
Tụi nó có nhảy rất là. Ờ.
Thunder Chief, the B-52, and its primary.
Here they come.
Look over there.
The F-16 you'll see in today's demonstration is equipped with an engine producing more thrust than the airplane weighs. Watch now as Major Heister achieves flight in less than 1,000 feet of runway while accelerating to 400 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, stand up and put your hands together for Major Heister in the F-16 fighting cockpit!
Mai per hour mà chẳng thấy tia lên rồi.
Together.
lúc ép của trâu nó lúc này lúc dài chỉ trắng gia tăng phải là trời nó thế này ép của trâu cái gì thiếu cái thứ nào mà cái dùng tôi cho là dài nhau một chút nữa
Nó bây giờ phải xin rõ chứ.
dạ con tôi lời này
Ở bên giờ bên đi rồi
hai xa cũng không nữa dài nhau một là cũng một cái chiếc chân của nó này lúc nào nó mới bật ra bật ta nè chẳng mà cho thua là lời sao cái kia số 1 á. Cho nó chị nóมีแคปnóดีนะฉะนั้นเลยที่รู้ยังแค่เราโอเคอ่ะ
As Kevin, I see you in a little way. The action continues as we get closer and closer to the finale.
cho nó lên là trả cho nhau khoảng hai nữa nè
The U.S. Navy
sau đó tôi dọn là trả cho nó xong
in
cho nó
just
chơi
a
nó phải thôi lấy lò luôn
At the 3 o'clock mark, we will
nó phải thôi lấy lò rồi là trả nhau khoảng
This is your opportunity, everyone. If you need to grab a snack, a beverage, reapply the sunscreen. Stay hydrated. You will have a few moments to enjoy grab some beverages, some food. Stay hydrated. That sun has been teasing us all afternoon. Grab the food, relax, find
cho nó chơi cho tôi trả nhau khoảng nó rồi lò cua là trả nhau khoảng nè cua là trả nhau khoảng là do giấy kia đó nè cho nên thì đâu được in chủ gia gì trắng như đó như US Navy cho nè phải chơi đó luôn nè
Over the course of a complete show season, Fat Albert will fly more than 100,000 miles, carrying a normal show load of 45,000 pounds of fuel, 35,000 pounds of equipment, and a specialized maintenance and support team of nearly 50 personnel.
lúc nào là hoa lúc cả bữa nè chắc khá to lỏ
With this, he's going to do something pretty amazing.
What is it?
Watch, he's going to touch down and pull right back up into the sky. Close. Yep. Look. You got to watch. There he comes in for a landing.
to the American public the precision techniques of naval aviation, hoping to inspire a culture of excellence and service to country. The maneuvers you will see demonstrated here this afternoon are coordinated tactical techniques developed by Navy and Marine Corps pilots in both peacetime training and actual combat. These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refinements of basic techniques taught to every prospective naval aviator. Here in the skies over Eau Claire, we will. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Canton, Connecticut, Commander Adam Bryan.
Anh này bèm sao nữa đây?
Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Commander Jack Kilty.
Lâu tròn
Flying Blue
thời gian
Angel number 3, the left wingman from Beaufort, South Carolina, Major Brandon Wilkins. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Georgetown, Texas, Lieutenant Commander Wes Perkins. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Baltimore, Maryland, Commander Thomas Zimmerman. Flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Freeport, Maine, Lieutenant Commander Connor O'Donnell.
Billy,
As
come
the crew
here.
chiefs assist the pilots into their jets, you are witnessing the teamwork
Look,
found in
honey.
all Navy and Marine Corps units. The Blue Angels take a great deal of pride in personifying the Navy and Marine Corps values of honor, courage, and commitment. For more information on our support crew and our pilots, continued flying Grumman Corporation aircraft for 22 years, transitioning in late 1946 to the more powerful and faster F-8F Bearcat. In 1950, we transitioned to jet aircraft with the straight-wing F-9 F-2 Panther, the predecessor of the swept-wing F-9 F-8 Cougar, which we received in 1955. In 1957, the Blue Angels became equipped with high-performance aircraft with the arrival of the supersonic F-11F Tiger. In 1960, each aircraft was carefully inspected by expert Blue Angels maintenance personnel prior to this afternoon's aerial demonstration. The Blue Angels fly the Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornet, a multi-mission strike fighter, versions of which have been operational throughout the fleet since 2001.
Are you ready for it?
Here we go. Ready? Watch, here we go. It started. Oh, here we go.
From Dayton, Ohio, our supply officer is Lieutenant Mara Mason. And from Hagerstown, Maryland, our public affairs officer is Lieutenant Ben Bouchon. Our Boeing technical representatives are Mr. Jack Ralph from Fort Worth, Texas, Mr. Tom Lawson from Tigard, Oregon, and Mr. Lane Harnishmaker from Nantucket, Massachusetts. Our financial management analyst is Mrs. Amanda Willenberg from Warrenton, Virginia, and our administration specialist is Mr. Eric Ruby from Columbus, South Carolina.
Nhưng mà lên. Ồ, lo luôn là tụi nó có lúc nó ủi à. Sana nó có ít cho lúc lâu thì họ luôn có sát tàu có
low speed. That sets the Super Hornet apart.
Take picture.